Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix USB debugging is not working in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S24 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your USB debugging isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to simply go to your settings app. You have to make sure that you have enabled your USB debugging. So sometimes it might be that you haven't enabled your USB debugging, but you're trying to expect that your debugging is enabled. So I recommend you have to go to enable your developer options first. Go to about phone. Go to software information, click on bill number. You have to almost make 7 clicks on it. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Click OK to allow development settings. Just go back and you might see developer options over here. Click on it, and in this section, just scroll down. You might see USB debugging. So you can try to enable it from here, but if you might see that your debugging is not available, it's grayed out, so it might be that your auto blocker is enabled. So you can go back from here and go to security and privacy, scroll down, and here's the auto blocker. Just disable it from here. Click on turn off. Once the auto blocker is disabled, now you have to go back to the developer options, scroll down, and you can now easily enable your USB debugging. But if you are facing the issue that your debugging is enabled, but it's still not working, so you can try to click on revoke USB debugging authorization and then click on OK. And once you have done, now your issue will be fixed. You can also try to use wireless debugging if you have the feature of wireless debugging. So you can try to use this one by connecting your mobile or to the same Wi-Fi network on your PC, but the USB debugging might be best for you. But if that's not working, so you can try to use wireless debugging from here. Or if it's still not working for you, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. So just scroll on your control center and click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, it will fix if there will be any software glitch or any technical issue with your phone, so it might have been fixed in this app. So you will not get the issue again. But if you're still getting the same issue, so you can try to check your charging cable, because sometimes it might be that your USB cable or your charging cable doesn't support data transfer. So you have to make sure that your USB cable support the data transfer, and you have also enabled the debugging feature in your PC, and then you can reroute. This time you might not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.